Okay, in this example, we're going to simplify this complex fraction. So when you have a fraction over a fraction, it's called a complex fraction. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to look at the numerator and the denominator, and if one of those two things has an operation of addition or subtraction, so notice how we have two fractions in the denominator put together through addition, we're going to simplify this first. So off to the side, I'm just going to do this as scratch work. I'm going to simplify this. Notice we've done this before. We have added fractions before. So there's nothing really to see here. I'm just applying something we've already done. So let's go and do that. So let's see. Getting a common denominator, the second fraction has an x, a factor of x the first one doesn't have, and the first fraction has a factor of x plus 4 that the second one doesn't have. So simplifying that, x times 1 is x times x over x plus 4 plus, or sorry, x times x plus 4. For the second fraction, I'm going to distribute that 2, so I get 2x plus 8 over x times x plus 4. Because the denominators are the same, I'm going to end up with 3x plus 8 over x times x plus 4. So I'm going to take that scratch work that I just figured out, and I'm going to replace this denominator with that. So in other words, I'm going to rewrite this. But I'm replacing the denominator with 3x plus 8 over x times x plus 4. Now you might look at that and say, well, that didn't make things much easier, but it actually did. And the reason is, this right here is just a fraction divided by a fraction. Notice the words. This is vertical division. I have a fraction divided by a fraction. So we can take that vertical division and rewrite it as horizontal division. From there, we're back to stuff we've already done, right? We can turn that into multiplication by flipping the second fraction. We can then cancel out any common factors, and we can do our multiplications. So in the end, we're going to be left with, in the numerator, 5x, in the denominator, 3x plus 4. And that's it. That's how you simplify complex fractions.